Some business news for you. Vehicle manufacturer General Motors South Africa is to stop operating in the country. Its light commercial vehicle manufacturing operations will be acquired by Isuzu Motors. GM will end the manufacture and supply of Chevrolet vehicles to the domestic market by the end of the year. It will also be the end of an era, as GM has had a manufacturing presence in Port Elizabeth since 1913.
The exit of GM SA from the South African market is part of its apparent company's restructuring of its international operations to improve its overall financial performance. The restructuring will have a devastating impact on the local employment sector. It is not yet known how many of the 1,500 GM SA employees will be affected. Retirement packages have already been offered to GM employees since last year.
There's just over 1,500 employees at the company today. This is the proposed restructure of our business, and the change to the operations really initiates a consultation process with all of our employees, which starts effectively today, because I advised all of the employees of the proposed changes earlier this morning. So through the consultation period and our proposed structure will determine the extent of changes to overall headcount of the employees. So not a defined number at this stage.
And so this is strictly a global decision based on where GM thinks that we can get the best returns on our investments going forward.
Isuzu Motors will purchase GM's local operations and the minority shareholding GM SA held in Isuzu Truck SA. Isuzu buckies and trucks will continue to be produced in Port Elizabeth, while Isuzu will set up its own dedicated dealer network. Isuzu aims to grow its African market share.
As you know, we have been here for 44 years. And the brand is there, and I think customers love the Isuzu brand. So we recognize in the long term here in South Africa the big opportunity for us to grow.
GM says it has also established support centers for its employees. Warranties and service agreements with existing GM customers will also be honoured. Jade Lee Paulser, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.